your next career step in insolvency. Join Farrier Sylvia. Farrier Sylvia excels in turnaround and insolvency, offering clarity and expertise for complex financial challenges. We craft innovative solutions, driving the best outcomes for our clients. We're seeking talented intermediate accountants for our Sydney CBD office. Elevate your career. This full-time role provides an opportunity to assist senior teams, gaining invaluable experience in a dynamic field. Requirements include a commerce, accountancy, or law degree, excellent communication, and strong organizational skills. Starting your CA or CPA program is highly valued. Grow with us. We offer a competitive remuneration package, formal training, and significant career development opportunities. Unlock your potential in a varied and supportive environment. Australian citizenship or permanent residency is essential for this role. Apply today. Ready to make an impact? Email your CV and cover letter to info@farriersylvia.com.au. Take the next step in your insolvency career with Farrier Sylvia.